My name is Lee Price. I work for Powys County Council and have done since 1998. My apprenticeship started and I thought I was a bit too long in the tooth to do an apprenticeship, but I did and I thoroughly enjoyed it. But unfortunately, after I started, I lost my husband. I just didn't want to carry on with anything, never mind work or anything. I just didn't, I couldn't see life without him after 36 years of being married. Then I came back to work and I picked up the apprenticeship because I knew that Rob would have really got up 100% behind me to carry on with it. To be nominated for this award has been absolutely overwhelming. I was dumbfounded.